The manifestation technique. Ever pondered upon the secret to turning dreams into reality? Could there be a method to this madness, a formula to this fantasy? Indeed there is, and it's called the manifestation technique. Step 1. Clarity of vision. The journey to manifestation begins with a clear vision. Picture the goal, the dream, the desire. Visualize it with such vividness that it seems almost tangible. This isn't just daydreaming, it's a focused visualization. It's the creation of a mental blueprint that sets the foundation for the manifestation process. Step 2. Harness the power of intention. Now, with your vision clear, it's time to infuse it with the power of intention. State your vision, your goal, and infuse it with the energy of your conviction. Remember, the universe responds to the energy we emit. So, emit the energy of certainty, of unwavering belief in your vision. Step 3. Embrace the emotion. Next comes the step of embracing the emotion. Feel the joy, the anticipation, the excitement of your vision becoming a reality. This emotional engagement further amplifies the energy of your intention, making it more potent, more magnetic to the universe. Step 4. Practice gratitude. Gratitude serves as the fulcrum of manifestation. It's the acknowledgement of the abundance that already exists, and the anticipation of the abundance that's yet to come. It's a powerful magnet that attracts more of what we are grateful for. So practice gratitude every day, for every little thing, and especially for your vision that's on its way to becoming a reality. Step 5. Surrender and trust. The final step in the manifestation process is to surrender and trust. Surrender your vision to the universe, trusting in its infinite wisdom and timing. Let go of the how and when, and simply trust the process. This surrender isn't about giving up. It's about embracing the belief that what's meant for you will find its way. To recap, the manifestation technique is a 5-step process. It begins with a clear vision, followed by harnessing the power of intention. Next, we embrace the emotion associated with our vision and practice gratitude. Finally, we surrender our vision to the universe and trust in its wisdom and timing. Each step carries its unique benefit, working in harmony to turn dreams into reality. So envision, intend, feel, appreciate, and trust. That's the magical formula of manifestation. It's the secret to turning dreams into reality. It's the key to unlocking a life of abundance and fulfillment. It's not just a technique, it's a lifestyle, a mindset, a way of being. And it's accessible to all, waiting to be harnessed, waiting to transform dreams into reality.